When buying a home assets, it means that the seller of the home will not address any issue or make any repair of the home. This could be anything from a broken system to a mold or to the leaking roof. So when the buyer purchasing this kind of home, you will be the one who will make any repair or any improvement to the home. So while it may seem as a risky proposition, it can be very advantageous to both sides, which is the seller and the buyer. So for the seller, selling assets can be making a really quick sale and you don't have to do anything with the home. And for the buyer, you can be purchasing the home at the discount price. But of course, it is very important to thoroughly inspect the home before you make an offer. You as a buyer should also have a very realistic picture of how much cost it would take to repair and make an improvement to that home. But if you are ready to tackle some home improvement, you can be in a position to buy a home in such a good deal.